We're gonna be talking about deep copying now. We have discussed shallow copying, and now we're gonna be talking about deep copying. So first, I'm gonna be demonstrating. We have a class address. This have two kind of uh, constructor. First constructor we have city, and second constructor is address. So basically, it's just a constructor for deep copying. So for person also we have the same. We have constructor for name and addresses, and the other one is for deep copying, which is basically constructor for person. Okay, so first address we have is Cairo. Second first person is Ahmed and has the same address of this Cairo. Now we're deep copying this person, and now we're gonna be modifying the copy's address, which is person 2. So now the second person should have an Alexandria address, and let's see how it goes. Okay, so yeah, first person is Cairo, second person is Alexandria, and they have two different references. So this is basically the point of deep copying.